Hello, my Monarchs! Welcome back or welcome to the Nail Monarch family. If you'd like to see how I did this cute set, continue on watching. Starting off with my SAVILAND Gel X kit I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. We have a UV lamp with its wire, nail glue, and nail tips ranging from 1 through 10. Starting off with using my electric nail filer to file down the nail tips. In my opinion, it helps with staying onto your nails longer. Time to file down my actual nails with a nail filer. Now that the nails and tips are prepped, we can go ahead and get started on applying the tips. Making sure we dust off all that residue before. Using my nail glue and my UV lamp for this step. We are grabbing our nail glue wand and applying on the inside of the nail tip, applying a good even coat. And before we apply onto nail, make sure you brush off the glue from this brush as shown right now. Now to apply onto nail, we start off on the center of the cuticle area and press down firmly. See how applying that extra glue onto the bottom helped when applying onto the nail. Now that it's applied, move your way to the UV lamp where you will be curing the nail glue. First nail done, now let's do the exact same steps to the rest of the nails. Now we have two options. We can keep them this length or cut them down. I prefer cutting them down. I'm grabbing my nail tip cutter and cutting them to my desired length. Now that we have the nails straight and clean, time to buff out the shine on the nail tips. Make sure you dust off all that residue from filing down. Time to apply some nail polish. For today's base color, we have this Sally Hansen Extreme Wear in the color Bare It All, number 169. Applying that color to all my nails, I did do a couple coats to make sure that the color was there. For the other nail polishes, I'm using LA Colors in the color Jazzy and Sally Hansen Extreme Wear in the color White On. Now for the design of the nails, I'm also using a nail brush to help me do the French tip design. Starting off with my thumb, applying white French tips onto my thumb, pointer, and pinky finger. applying Jazzy onto my ring and middle finger. For the French tip design, you can do both the nail brush or as well using the nail polish wand. As you can see, right now I am using the brush, but on my middle finger I switch off to the wand. Using the nail brush can come out cleaner, but it all depends on practice and a steady hand. I wouldn't recommend drinking coffee while doing your nails. Learn from me. Now for the French tip outline, just do the opposite color from what's already on the nail. Time for our top coat, applying that to all my nails and curing them after. Now that the nails are cured and ready, the last step is the cuticle oil. Make sure you smooth it onto your skin. Voila! We have our beautiful nails done. Let me know in the comments below what y'all think of these, what y'all want to continue seeing in my channel. It will help me make you guys happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!